We have a brick ledge here, and Quality Edge makes a color matching brick ledge flashing. This is designed to help run that water away from the siding and off the brick to not get behind it. So to install the brick ledge flashing, I'm going to cut our house wrap. So this will go over the brick ledge to then shed water onto it and off the brick. I'll nail it in place. Next, I'm going to add the J channel on top of it. This will work for a starter whether you do horizontal or vertical installation. Now it's important to remember you're going to want to cut in the weep holes in the back of the J so water and any debris can run out of it.